Alright guys, welcome to Weatherwise on YouTube and Facebook and Instagram. So thank you for watching this video in the first place, and I want to just quickly update you on the latest Canva product, which is Dreamlab. So they've recently just launched it, but Canva has always had a magic AI where you generate images that you imagine, even text, and other stuff that you can generate with AI. But Dreamlab comes as a separate product that's within Canva, and it just gives you the ability to imagine the unthinkable. So let's try it. As you can see, these are inspirations and stuff that people have generated with the product. As you can see, it all looks good. So let's try some very silly text. We are going to say a very quirky bird sitting on a branch, very sad but really colorful. Yep, that's it. We can generate. Let's see what Dreamlab does to this imagination. Okay. Yeah. As you can see, these images look really great, and we can try something else with humans. A very high-end super model studio shot, medium, close up, photorealistic, with a hat facing left. We can add more details to that and just say a very high-end African model, supermodel studio shot. Okay, create. Wow, that did it. Yeah, you can see. That's great. I love it already, and I don't know, what do you think? Please drop a comment. I think it's very close to home. Yeah, it's really Dreamlab. So try and imagine stuff and drop it in the comments. Let's see what you come up with. This is a very short video, and I love it when you like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification button on YouTube, and let's get going and learning.